Before you watch the other videos that come up, I want to introduce a couple of concepts to you that you'll need to understand in order to understand how we do business. Those are net operating income and capitalization rate, abbreviated by NOI or cap rate, either one. Net operating income is all of the income on the property minus the expenses on the property, with the exception of a few things. One, we do not count the mortgage payment, and we also don't count any significant capital expenditures. So a capital expenditure being we do a major roof replacement, we do a major remodel to it. So capital improvements are not included in this. And the other thing that is not included is any tax-related deals. So if you have depreciation, etc., that does not come off of here. Does not count depreciation. Those are not included. So all expenses, so all income minus all expenses equals net operating income. So let's use an example. If I have a property and the income on that property is $100,000 a year, and all of the expenses, including your taxes, your insurance, utilities, any expenses you have on the property, let's say that the total amount of those expenses are $30,000 a year. So I've got $100,000 in income. And we'll get our capital improvements out of the way because we're not going to put them in there anyway. So $100,000 worth of income minus $30,000 worth of expenses equals $70,000 of net operating income. And that's how that works. Very simple concept, but very important that you understand it for what we're going to go through later on. The next concept I want to introduce to you is a capitalization rate, or what we call a cap rate. A cap rate is simply a percentage. So as an example, let's use the example that we had up here. So I've got $70,000 of net operating income. The capitalization rate is figured just simply by taking that net operating income and dividing it by your purchase price for a property. Capitalization rate is net operating income divided by purchase price. Let's say we purchased a property for $1 million, and its net operating income, so the income that it's providing to us as an investment, is $70,000. $70,000 divided by $1 million, if you divide that out, it's going to equal a number that looks like this, 0.07. We simply convert that into a percentage, in which case it would be 7%. The cap rate of this deal is 7 or 7%. If you get these two basic concepts, then you should be able to understand what we're going to present next. Thanks for watching.